In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create charts in narrative reporting. I am tasked to visualize the Revenue by Territory report by creating and adding charts to the report. I'll open the report in the Report Designer and add a chart. Next, I'll position the chart on the report layout and select the data source. I can choose a data source from available models or existing report grids. I'll choose the existing grid. The chart is opened in the Chart Designer, which has three control areas: the Views tab, the Properties panel, and the toolbar with options and navigation buttons. In the Chart Presentation view, you can view generic chart output based on the current property settings, preview the chart, and set the chart properties. In the Chart Data view, you can select the grid rows and columns to include in the chart, preview the chart, and set the chart properties. In the Source Grid view, you can edit the grid, preview the grid, and set the grid properties. Working with grids is covered in the Creating Management Reports tutorial. The Properties panel enables you to set properties for different areas of the chart functionality. You can edit the chart name or data source, add the chart title and subtitle, edit the chart legend, and set other chart type-specific visual properties. I'll change the chart type to pie. You can hide or show the Properties panel from the toolbar. I'll close the Chart Designer and preview the report. The chart visualizes actual data from the grid. When I hover over the chart slices, I can see revenue numbers for the selected territory. Now, let's add another chart to the report. This time, I'll choose the sample model as a data source. Because of my choice of the data source, a new grid was created and embedded in the chart. The initial grid defines the default dimension selection for the rows and columns. I want to visualize actual revenue for each territory broken down by segment. To get the needed data, I'll edit the grid and change the dimension layout. Next, I'll select members for my grid. For segments, I'll select Level 1 members. For entities, I'll use a function to select children of total entities. Next, I'll set the POV values and grid properties and preview the grid. The grid returns data I need for the chart. I'll return to the Chart Designer and set the chart properties. On the General panel, I'll select the Stacked Bar chart type. On the Plot Area panel, I'll add a title. I'll close the Chart Designer, return to the Report Designer, and make final position and sizing adjustments for the chart. Finally, I'll save and preview the report. In this tutorial, you saw how to create charts in narrative reporting. To learn more, visit cloud.oracle.com.